Welcome to Sri JT Government First Grade College, Mundargi from the Department of Commerce for BCom 6th semester Business Law last chapter. In that we will continue the State Commission. A Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission to be called State Commission to be established by the state government in the state by notification in the official gazette. The composition as per section 16 is as follows. Each state commission shall consist of a person who is the judge of high court, who shall be its president, and two other members, one of whom shall be a woman, who shall have the following qualification. Their age must not be less than 35 years. They should possess bachelor's degree from the recognized university. They must be the person of ability, integrity, and have adequate knowledge in the field of accountancy, commerce, economics, industry, and law and public administration. In case of state commission, every appointment of the parties shall be made by the state government on the recommendation of a selection committee. Selection committee consisting of a president of the state commission, that is, he is a chairman, and the secretary related to law department of the state, he is a member, and one more secretary who is in charge of the department of consumer affairs in the state, he is also a member. A committee is going to be formed with the help of these members. Every member shall hold office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 67 years, whichever is earlier. A retiring member is, however, eligible for reappointment for a further term of 5 years. The salary and honorarium and other allowances which is payable, and the terms and conditions of the services of the members shall be such as prescribed by the state government. The state commission shall have the jurisdiction to entertain the complaints where the value of goods or services and the compensation claimed exceeds 20 lakh but does not exceeds 1 crore. This is all about a state consumer redressal agency. Now we shall move for the national commission, that is a National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. It is also known as National Commission. It is established by the central government by the notification in the official gazette. The composition as per section 20 is as follows. The National Commission consisting of again a president. So he is also the judge of the Supreme Court and four other members, one of whom shall be a woman and who shall have the following qualifications. That is, their age must not be less than 35 years. They must also possess the bachelor degree from the recognized university. They shall be a person of the ability, integrity, and have adequate knowledge in the field of accountancy, industry, commerce, economics, law, and public administration. And the members is going to be appointed by again a selection committee which is made by the central government on the recommendation of this committee. This committee must consist of a chairman who is a judge of the Supreme Court. He is a chairman, and a secretary related to law department of the central government as a member, and the secretary, one more secretary, that is the Department of Consumer Affairs of the central government. He is also a member in the selection committee. Every appointment of the members is going to be undertaken on the recommendation of this committee. Every member shall hold office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier, and the retiring member is eligible for reappointment of a further term of 5 years. the salary as well as honorarium or else any other allowances which is payable, and the terms and conditions of the services of the members is such as may be prescribed by the again central government. In case of a state, it is a state government. In case of if it is national commission, it is a central government. The national commission shall entertain the complaints where the value of goods and services or the compensation claimed exceeds 1 crore. And one more thing is here, this national commission has the power to entertain appeal against the orders of any state commission, and not only against the state commission, it has the power to call for records and pass appropriate orders in any consumer disputes which is pending or not decided by any state commission. And one more thing is here, in case of state commission, it is also having a power to entertain appeals against the orders which is issued by the district forum, and it has the power to call for the records and pass appropriate orders in any of the consumer disputes which is pending before and not decided by the district forum within the state. So this is totally about the state commission and the national commission.